Today, I'm showing you how to make the easiest sweet potato casserole with a crunchy pecan crumble topping. It's simple, crisp, never soggy, and packed with warm holiday flavor. The perfect make-ahead dish for any gathering. We'll need about 5 pounds of sweet potatoes. Peel them and chop into small pieces like this so they steam faster. Steam for 10 to 15 minutes, or until they're easily pierced with a fork. We're steaming, not boiling, because you'll see later why boiling isn't ideal for this casserole. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a half cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix everything while the potatoes are warm so that butter melts right in. Once slightly cooled, add 3 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm using a stand mixer, but you can mash yours with a hand mixer or a potato ricer. Pour the mixture into a 9 by 13 casserole dish and smooth it out. Combine 1½ cups chopped pecans, a half cup of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of cold diced butter, and 3/4 cup packed brown sugar. Mix until crumbly, then spread it evenly over the sweet potatoes. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. The house smells incredible, warm, buttery, and full of that crunchy pecan aroma. We love extra topping, so this casserole has a thick, crowd-pleasing layer. Listen to that crunch. Let's try the first serving. Even while warm, it's not soggy at all, because we steam the sweet potatoes. Steaming keeps them fluffy and prevents extra water from soaking in. Boiling makes them watery, which can lead to a mushy casserole. But steaming keeps the texture creamy, sweet, and beautifully firm. Here it is 3 hours later, and the crunch is still there. I have to grab another piece, I just can't resist. It's soft, melts in your mouth, yet never mushy, with a perfectly crunchy topping in every bite. You have to try this for Thanksgiving, and thank me later. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. Happy holidays! See you next time!